We're from Fancy Tiger Crafts.
And we're going to show you how to get your craft on.
I'm going to show you how to finish a seam using a serger. This is the easiest and fastest way to finish a seam, but it does require having a serger. It's very simple. I've sewn this seam with a regular sewing machine, and now I'm going to run the edge through to finish the fabric so that it doesn't fray. I have my presser foot of my serger already down. I'm just going to feed the fabric into it. The blade is right here, and for finishing seams I don't trim the edge other than just a little bit if there's any stray threads hanging off. So I'm just going to run the edge of the seam right here along the blade. And now you have a really tidy finished edge. And at this point you can press your seam to the left or right as your pattern dictates.